Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you a product from Ikea which is Danka, an ironing board which is priced around 1990 rupees INR, and the dimension is 120 into 37 centimeter. This is a sturdy ironing board, and the stand steady and easy to fold and tuck when you are done. So you can easily fold it. You can place the iron on the handy shelf on the side, so it doesn't topple. So it is easy to accumulate and easy to assemble also. And about the product details, it is a variable height adjustment. You can adjust the height, and also it comes with a sturdy base which is made up of steel. The material let the steam through the iron, which prevents moisture forming. So the material used on the top let the steam throw from the iron. So extra stable and durable because of the frame base are made up of steel. Okay, all these products are made up of steel. The holder has a heat resistant silicone pad which prevents the scratches from the iron surface. I'll show you that holder as well. So there is an with this product called as Danka, it comes with an additional holder for the iron. Okay, and if you see this material, it is easy so that the steam can easily let pass through from the top to bottom surface. Okay, so this is the ideal for ironing board. And if you see the side one, there is an additional holder given for the iron, and there are silicone pads provided which provides basically which prevents the scratches on the iron surface. Okay, so that it will not scratch. It is a product from Ikea and made in China, and the fabric is 100% cotton, and the filling is 100% polyester, and the holder is polypropylene plastic. And the other product from Ikea, which is also an iron, which is iron board, which is router is little cheaper option. You don't get the additional holder for the iron. The price is 1290, and the size is also little comparatively smaller, 108 into 33 centimeter. It does not have all the features, but it is good for an ideal normal living of around 2 people. So the material also comes with an this is the upper layer is cotton, and the below layer is made up of polyester. So and the tube is steel epoxy polyester powder coating. And I think this is also good, and this also made in such a way that the steam can easily pass through from the top to bottom. If you are having a tight budget, or maybe if you are looking for something around 1500 rupees, or maybe around 1290 rupees, the second option will be better. But the Danka is the best one because it also comes with an additional handle for the iron. Okay, this is from Ikea, and thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please keep watching, like, and please provide your comments on the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you, thanks for watching.